Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the RENPHO Cordless Hair Clippers. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so opening up the box. Not a whole lot to this. On the back is some explanations. You have all your clipper guards over here. Comes with a cover for the clipper. Comes at 82% charged, it looks like. And I like that it says available time, which is kind of neat. You can remove any excess papers, anything like that. You'll have your brush. USB-A to U, looks like this is a different type of charger, so a couple different ways. Let me see, go back to this. Looks like a couple different ways to charge this. Either USB-A to the plug here, which will fit in. Like that. And or you have not the newer, but the older USB. It's not a USB-C. I'll give you an exact view. So I think they call this micro USB. Anyway, there's some also going to be some oil to utilize for this. I don't use this a ton. I probably should, but I don't, honestly. And then underneath, you'll have kind of a carrying kit, as well as a simple manual on how to utilize this, all the connections, stuff like that. So a lot to it. I'm going to demonstrate this on my face because I do cut my hair, but that's going to be kind of challenging to kind of showcase. I also find that, you know, kind of showing what the lowest clipping capability is gives a really good feel for it. Also understand that there's a kind of a speed adjuster. Can go from 55 to 70, and I'm not sure kind of what the available time is going to dictate now based on that. So make sure you read every instruction. Anyway, so we'll demonstrate this shaving my face, and we'll give you a feel for that from there. All right, so the best way I know of to test these things out is just kind of give a half shave of the face, and that way you can kind of see exactly how tight this goes on. Obviously with guards, it's going to, you know, differentiate between the length of the shave or, you know, cutting your hair, but I always like to use these as kind of a razor, if you will, to kind of soft test how they'll work. So I'm going to go ahead and shave half my face, and we'll start on camera, and then we'll pause while I finish up. So let's take it to it. All right, so as you can see, it gets a little hairy, so having a brush is obviously a key part of this. But overall, I mean, just you can see the difference. It does a pretty good job of getting pretty close compared to this side. So we'll go ahead and you can really kind of see the difference here. we'll go ahead and finish shaving, but so far this has been pretty great. I'm going to pause to finish up. All right, so charging was fast. It used about 1% of the battery, and just as a reminder, you can, it's on kind of its high mode, but it can go significantly lower depending on what you're looking to accomplish. So this is definitely worth buying. Really nice investment here. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.